All right, this is my RF20 project I've been working on. Uh, this is the main post that lets the head up and down. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of rust buildup on the bottom, but on the top it's, all right. So what I got is I made up this one-time jig for doing some welding that I had done. And it's not a big deal, but it works. So I hooked it up to this post, and now I'm just going to sit and rotate it, and then I'm going to take different grits of sandpaper to try to get some of that rust off. I know I can't take a lot because it'll loosen it, but anyhow, I at least want to be able to move the head completely up and down. So what I'm going to do is see how it's going to work. First, I'm going to do it with some dry paper to try to get the big rust pieces off, and then I'm going to work my way down to probably a 800 grit wet dry paper with some kind of oil, penetrating oil or something.